Ang tanong dito, Attorney Reg, may reaction ba si Senator Chis Escudero regarding this ruling ng Supreme Court?
Well, I was on a call with him last night, and he was very happy because of the fact that he was really targeted at that time, and I was insisting at the time that we have legal basis. So he was happy that there was at least ano na to, parang
Ano yung exact words niya?
finality doon sa ano na yung wala nang doubts ngayon doon sa ginawa.
So, vindicated.
Oo. Ano yung
Vindicated,
exact words ni
Vindicated.
Senator Chis? Kasi bihira lang, hindi namin siya masyado nakikita ngayon. So, we're taking this opportunity. I know, nakakausap mo siya or feeling ko nakakausap mo naman siya. So, baka naman meron siyang sinabi doon that you can share with us, Attorney.
Well, ang sabi niya, congratulations. O kita mo, tama tayo.
With
Yun.
exact words.
So, doon ang galing yung statement ng attorney na vindicated because all along, hindi rin mali ang interpretation nyo.
Yeah. Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Kasi may basehan kami sa Korte Supremang desisyon, Diego. So talagang malakas ang loob namin ipaglaban yon. Well, nag-drown out kami ng mga mas ibang mga maiingay dahil mas pinapaboran na i-guess sila ng mga ibang mga media outfits. Buti nga dito sa inyo, balanse kayo at lahat kami ginigess ninyo.